I'm a dinosaur looking for food. Yeah, a T-Rex dinosaur. Just kidding. It's me, Blippi, and I'm here at Dinotropolis looking for dinosaurs. I just love dinosaurs. You know, it would be really cool to see a big T-Rex up close. You know, dinosaurs were also a part of the reptile family and had really cool scales, kind of like these. Wait a minute, scales like these? Ah! Whoa! 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 That was a really big roar. Hello, Mr. Dinosaur. Oh, Mr. T-Rex. Whoa! Woo! You have a really big roar, but Mr. T-Rex is a nice T-Rex. Aw. Here you go. Woo. A nice handshake to a nice T-Rex. Wait a minute. Mr. T-Rex, I heard that today was your birthday. Happy birthday to Mr. T-Rex. Happy birthday to Mr. T-Rex. Happy birthday to Mr. T-Rex. Happy birthday. How old are you turning? 65 million years old? That's pretty old. Oh, and are you going to have a birthday cake? What? No birthday cake on your birthday? Well, what are you going to eat? Meatloaf? That's so silly. Meatloaf on your birthday? Ooh, but that makes sense. That's because T-Rex dinosaurs were carnivores, which means they only ate meat. And I guess Mr. T-Rex really likes meatloaf. Whoa, and look at how big he is. Whoa, he's so long. Yeah, Tyrannosaurus Rex grew so big, they could grow as long as 12 meters, which is 40 feet. Aw, you are such a nice dinosaur. And you have some really big teeth. Oh, well, it was very nice hearing you roar and very nice meeting you, but T.U., you're a nice T-Rex, but a stinky T-Rex. Meatloaf breath. I think Mr. T-Rex is done talking. See you later. Bye-bye. Whoa! I can't believe we saw a T-Rex. Can you roar like a T-Rex with me? Rah, 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 rah. Whoa! Whoa! Did you hear that? It was another roar, but that did not sound like a T-Rex. I wonder what kind of dinosaur that was. Well, let's go find out. Come on! It's another dinosaur! Hello! Hey, do you know what kind of dinosaur this is? I'll give you a hint. It has 1, 2, 3 horns! Yeah, that's right. Whoa, this is a Triceratops. Hello, Mrs. Triceratops. Whoa, you have a really big beak. That's because Triceratops have big beaks and flat teeth because they love to eat plants. They're herbivores. Aw. Oh, maybe we can try talking with Mrs. Triceratops. Okay, here we go. Rah, 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 rah. I don't think Mrs. Triceratops understood us very well. That's because I was roaring a T-Rex. Well, it was worth a try. What we need to do is talk in Triceratops. Let's try to give our best Triceratops roar and see if she'll understand us. Here we go. No, Mrs. Triceratops. That's so funny. Yeah, she just told me a joke. Are you ready? She said, why did the dinosaur cross the road? It didn't, because roads weren't invented back then. That's so silly. Hey, wait a minute. Triceratops and T-Rexes, they roar differently. Maybe you and I can find some other dinosaurs and learn how they roar. Let's go explore. Ooh, but remember, we need to beat Triceratops now. Have your 3 horns and walk on all your 4 legs. Whoa, here we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Do you hear that sound? Huh. It's definitely not a T-Rex, and it's definitely not a Triceratops. I don't see any more dinosaurs up here. Let's go find who's making that sound. Whoa! Yeah! Here we go! Yeah! Whoa, check it out! I found the dinosaurs that were making that sound! Pteranodons! Whoa, check them out! There's so many! Woo! They love soaring through the sky, and they make a squawking sound. And did you know that when Pteranodons were soaring through the sky, they had really wide wingspans? 2.5 alligators wide! Whoa! And some scientists also believe that Pteranodons had 2 stomachs, one regular stomach and one stomach for scales and bones. I love Pteranodons. Whoa, and look, there's one over there. Let's talk to it. But remember, we need to use the right roar. Do you remember what kind of roar to use? Yeah, a squawking roar. Uh-huh. The Pteranodon is eating lunch. Aw, that sounds yummy. Well, what are you eating for lunch? Sushi? That's silly. Sushi's pretty yummy. Wait, that makes sense. Pteranodon are carnivores. They love to eat fish. Okay, let's act like Pteranodons together. Get ready to squawk, roar, and pull up your wings. Woo! Yeah! Whoa! Yeah! Whoa, check it out, a slide. Let's go down as fast as a Pteranodon. Here we go. Woo! Whoa! That was awesome. We flew down that slide just like a Pteranodon soaring through the sky. Woo! Yeah! Hey, can you guess where I am right now? Yeah! I'm on a Triceratops! I had so much fun today here at Dinotropolis. Can you remember all the roars we learned about today? Well, that's the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Hey, can you spell my name with me? Okay, here we go. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. Good job. Now, can you spell my name in dinosaur? Okay, here we go. Ready? Rah, rah, rah. Rah, rah, rah. Rah. Good job. Well, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Rah, rah.